Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Have you heard of our GT500 Detroit rocker camshafts? Well, I'm going to let you hear them right now. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put a link to an older video I made that shows cars on the dyno, dynograph, things like that. But check it out. I just had a GT500 on the dyno and it made a whopping 722 real horsepower, 649 torque. And that's just with the 2.3 liter TVS supercharger. And instead of our Detroit rocker camshafts, no overdrive crank puller or anything like that. It actually had a set of JBA shorty headers, and the supercharger did have a 2.4 supercharger pulley on it, along with a JLT cold air intake. At that power level, we do upgrade the fuel system as well as the cooling system. But listen to this. This is our Detroit rocker camshaft for the GT500 5.4, all the way from 07 to 2014. And at the end of this video, I'll put a link so you can actually watch a longer video where I go into more detail on the camshafts. I don't know about you, but that sound pumps me up. Maybe leave a comment, let me know what you think. I'll be happy to answer, but that sound to me is awesome. It's our GT500 Detroit rocker camshafts. Great gain across the board. Watch this video, you're gonna find out more about it. 574-594-9559 is our number here in Indiana. We can install those or free shipping to the 48 states. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on these new videos, or hey, leave a comment and I'll answer. Thanks.